Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back to Holistic Health. Today we're diving into the ancient wisdom of Ayurveda. Ayurveda, a holistic health system from India, has been practiced for over 5,000 years. It offers timeless insights into living a balanced and healthy life. In this video, we'll explore Ayurvedic diet principles, daily routines, and herbal remedies that support holistic health. Ayurveda emphasizes the balance of mind, body, and spirit. We'll also look at how meditation and yoga are integral to this ancient practice. Let's get started. Ayurveda is based on the 5 elements: earth, water, fire, air, and ether. These elements combine to form 3 doshas: Vata, Pitta, and Kapha. Understanding your dosha can help tailor your diet and lifestyle for optimal health. We'll delve into how to identify your dosha and the best practices for each type. Ayurvedic cooking emphasizes fresh, seasonal, and local ingredients. Herbal remedies play a crucial role in maintaining balance and health. Join us on this journey to unlock the secrets of Ayurveda and achieve holistic well-being. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Namaste. Ayurveda, meaning science of life, is a 5,000-year-old system of natural healing. Central to Ayurveda are the 3 doshas: Vata, Pitta, and Kapha. Vata, associated with air and ether, governs movement and communication. It influences creativity, flexibility, and quick thinking. Pitta, linked to fire and water, controls digestion and metabolism. It affects intelligence, courage, and leadership. Kapha, connected to earth and water, provides structure and stability. It impacts calmness, loyalty, and endurance. These doshas represent different combinations of the 5 elements: earth, water, fire, air, and ether. And they govern our physical and mental characteristics. Understanding your dominant dosha can help tailor your diet, lifestyle, and health practices to your unique constitution. To identify your dominant dosha, you can consult an Ayurvedic practitioner or take a detailed dosha quiz that assesses your physical, emotional, and mental traits. A balanced Ayurvedic diet emphasizes whole, fresh foods that align with your dosha. Here are some general guidelines. Vata diet. Focus on warm, moist, and grounding foods. Think hearty soups, stews, cooked grains, and root vegetables. Incorporate warming spices like ginger, cumin, and cinnamon. Pitta diet. Opt for cooling, hydrating foods. Enjoy fresh fruits and vegetables, especially leafy greens, cucumbers, and melons. Use cooling spices like coriander, mint, and fennel. Kapha diet. Choose light, dry, and warming foods. Include plenty of fruits and vegetables, legumes, and spices like turmeric, black pepper, and mustard seed to stimulate digestion. Regardless of your dosha, aim to eat seasonally, locally, and mindfully, chewing your food thoroughly and avoiding overeating. A balanced Ayurvedic diet emphasizes whole, fresh foods that align with your dosha. Here are some general guidelines. Vata diet. Focus on warm, moist, and grounding foods. Think hearty soups, stews, cooked grains, and root vegetables. Incorporate warming spices like ginger, cumin, and cinnamon. Pitta diet. Opt for cooling, hydrating foods. Enjoy fresh fruits and vegetables, especially leafy greens, cucumbers, and melons. Use cooling spices like coriander, mint, and fennel. Kapha diet. Choose light, dry, and warming foods. Include plenty of fruits and vegetables, legumes, and spices like turmeric, black pepper, and mustard seed to stimulate digestion. Regardless of your dosha, aim to eat seasonally, locally, and mindfully, chewing your food thoroughly and avoiding overeating. Dinacharya, or daily routine, is a cornerstone of Ayurveda. Establishing a consistent routine helps maintain balance and harmony. Here are some key practices. Morning rituals. Start your day with a routine that sets a positive tone. Wake up early, scrape your tongue, and practice oil pulling with sesame or coconut oil to cleanse the mouth. Abhyanga, or self-massage. Use warm sesame or coconut oil to massage your body before showering. Yoga and meditation. Incorporate gentle yoga stretches and meditation to center your mind and body. Healthy eating habits. Eat your largest meal at lunchtime when digestion is strongest. By following these Ayurvedic daily routines, you can achieve a balanced lifestyle and holistic health. Herbs play a crucial role in Ayurveda, offering natural remedies for various health concerns. Here are a few powerful Ayurvedic herbs. Turmeric. Known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, Turmeric supports joint health, digestion, and overall vitality. Add it to your meals or take it as a supplement. Ashwagandha. This adaptogenic herb helps reduce stress, improve energy levels, and enhance mental focus. It's often taken as a powder or in capsules. Triphala, a blend of 3 fruits, amalaki, bibitaki, and haritaki. Triphala aids digestion, detoxification, and supports healthy elimination. It's commonly consumed as a powder mixed with warm water before bed. Always consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new herbal regimen to ensure it's appropriate for your individual health needs. Embracing Ayurvedic practices can lead to a more balanced, vibrant life. By aligning your diet, daily routines, and herbal remedies with your unique constitution, you can support your holistic health journey. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others. Don't forget to subscribe to Holistic Health and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Stay well, and I'll see you in the next video.